Hello there! How are you guys doing? Okay, so today I want to show you what to do with zoodles. Zoodles are much on trend and people love to eat them, especially, and something super special about it is that sometimes we can replace that pasta. So if you are on one of those no carb diets and you are on that keto diet, believe me, I have tried them all. Does it work? Not so much, but they are tasty and they taste so good. So I wanted to do it two ways because during the past week I explained somebody how to do it these two ways. She loved it. She came back the next day and told me I made them. I made them both ways and it worked, and it has never worked for me. So, well, here we are. We're gonna show you this. So I'm gonna use half of my zoodles. Hey, this time I actually make the zoodles too. I did bought them at Harmon's, but I actually was the one that made them, which I find very hilarious. We're going to put our zoodles right over here in a bowl and we're gonna toss them lightly with oil. Little oil. Put your hands in there, get your hands a little dirty. Make sure that they're nice and oiled, because we don't want them to stick to the pan. We're gonna roast them at high heat, super quick. We're talking about 5 minutes here and check. We're gonna do maybe 10 total. Oven on the top of the oven, very top of the oven. We're gonna put my timer because I don't wanna forget. There we go. We got that going in 5 minutes. We're not gonna touch that recipe until that comes out of the oven. So we're going to work on the next recipe. I'm gonna change my bowls. There we go. We have over here green beans, which I'm gonna show you how I cut them. This is called Frenching your green beans. You're practically splitting them in half. I'm using green beans that were frozen, so just go through a defrosting process, microwave, boiling, whichever way you find it easier. I found microwave very easy. So, and now, believe me, they're completely cold, they're completely cooked. They go right there. We're gonna do the tomato as well. I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna split one, split two. This was shown to me by a great chef. His name is Adam. And he showed me how to do this when we were at work a long time ago. Since then, I have showed this to very many people during classes. See how easy that was? Then we're gonna cut this very thin. Always making sure to keep your fingers for later, please. Go as slow as you need to go. There we go. I needed to look down because I need to watch my fingers. I want my fingers for later. You don't want to see me crying here. And I'm gonna bring this big guy over here, where I'm going to put. These are the bird eye chilies. Oh, so let's talk about the names. The first one that went into the oven, it's an Italian style, and we're gonna put that like pasta. And then this one over here is going to be a Thai style. We're gonna recreate a green papaya salad. And instead of recreating a green papaya salad, because we don't have papaya, we are going to go for the zoodles. If you notice right over here, I have my green Thai chilies. I buy them on a jar. Well, can you don't watch this? Can you don't see this, please? I don't have any fresh garlic today, which I find it completely ridiculous because today I chopped a whole lot of garlic for the produce department, and I don't have any garlic at home. So, but I promised myself not to chop until my 15 days has passed. So I'm gonna mix that very well. And I need to go and do this. So bear there with me, don't go anywhere. gotta mash them in there, really, really good. Mash them, mortar them, so good. If you don't like so spicy, please hold on it, just one. I'm using two. They were not so spicy last time I did it, so I'm being brave and using two of them. Then I got my mash there. I'm going to put my lemon juice. See, ooh, it is a fresh salad. I love the taste of this salad. And believe it or not, I think, well, okay, papaya tastes good, but it gives you so much work that it's not worth it. Like, if you're at home and you're not doing nothing special that night, just go for the Zoodles. They're a much better choice. We have tamarind paste. We have some sugar. We have some soy sauce. And of course, we have fish sauce. All the amounts, I will put them on the recipe and pass that to you. Oh, it smells so good. On its own, ew. Together here, really good. All right, I'm not at work, guys. Oh my gosh, that is really good. Tiny little bit more of this. When you're cooking Thai food, remember, most of the time you will reach for more fish sauce instead of salt. I'm gonna empty that here. Woohoo! Nice and heavy. But what are we doing? I'm gonna put a pause on this. Look at that. We're bringing that over here. We're putting a pause on this. My dressing is here. This is over here. I'm practically done with this salad, and it's only been 5 minutes for both of this. Oh, wow. Look at these babies. 5 minutes, oven at 500. They're completely ready. And it's just tiny little bit, sprinkle them with salt. And then for serving them, because this is what I call, my pasta is ready, you know, I'm gonna spread them apart. I'm going to put some cheese over this, so that at the moment that I'm moving this out of here, the cheese kind of mixes with it. And I'm gonna transfer this to my serving dish. Very quick, this has to happen very quick. I'm only doing like one portion. You can call it also a side. And well, when we had the arrabbiata sauce at Harmon's, you know, because I work there and I'm there when the sales happens, this came on sale and I almost bought the existence of it, because I really arrabbiata sauce. I found something that I can bring home and that I don't need to prepare as much, and I need to just make it. And like I mentioned before, I am not using the Zoodles as my main meal. I'm using it as a side, but you could use it as the main meal. Put it back into the oven. Remember, my oven is at a very high temperature. If you can have a broiler, use the broiler. And then I'm going to put these in for just a fraction of 2 minutes. Just want that cheese to melt. I'm going to bring now, let's finish up the Thai style. I'm gonna bring approximately 1 cup, approximately 2 cups of this in here. Oh, come on, I can use my hands. I can do better than this, correct? I'm going to put my peanuts. I'm gonna put some big, and I'm going to put some chopped, because I really like peanuts, the roasted peanuts. I'm using my hands. Never mind. This is faster with my hands. Oh no, my gosh, it smells really good. I'm just putting it all. You see, in your house, never have to stick with the recipe. It calls for 2 cups, but it gives very well for 3 cups. This is a beautiful salad. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna clean my hands, but that tastes amazing. I'm gonna serve this for you. If you give me to choose which one I'll take, I think I'll take this one for my lunch because I never say no to the second option, you know. This one for my lunch, and this one. 3, 2, 1. This one for dinner with just a little chicken maybe there. All right, let's taste this one because my life says that I have to taste that. Are we ready, guys? Oh yeah, pasta. Oh my god, that tastes super good. Well guys, I hope you guys learn to make these zoodles in 2 ways. Thai way and Italian way, we can call it. They're super good, they're super yummy, and I hope you make them at home. Zoodles are very inexpensive and you can find them at Harmon's. Hey, what I'm gonna do, I do work at Harmon's, so it's not promotion, it's just I also shop there. Thank you guys, bye bye.